Hi all, welcome to the Soil, Slopes, and Streams series. I'm Jeannie Dixon, an associate professor and earth scientist at Montana State University, and my colleague Robin Gotts and I have put together this collection of free and open access mini lecture videos with the aim of increasing knowledge of earth surface processes. These videos are for non-specialists with K-12 teachers and other educators in mind, but they're available and hopefully useful for others. The project was funded with support of the National Science Foundation and Montana State University's Office of Academic Technology and Outreach. The series focuses on soil, slopes, and streams because these are where our lives interface most with Earth's surface. The thin mantle of soil and rocks and waters at Earth's surface lie literally at the intersection of Earth's spheres. These include the geosphere, or sometimes lithosphere, beneath the ground, the atmosphere overhead, the hydrosphere and waters in soil, streams, and groundwater, the biosphere, which includes all living things from the tallest tree to the tiniest microbe, and the anthroposphere, which is increasingly recognized to maybe need its own designation. This sphere encompasses the mass of human-made materials and systems, the plastic straws, microchips, mines, cars, roads, highways, and windmills, and maybe the humans themselves. One discipline of science focused on Earth's surface change is called geomorphology. It literally means to study Earth's shape and change, and it concerns the evolution of soils, mountains, canyons, rivers, and topography through physical, chemical, and biological processes. It explores Earth's landforms and the processes that create, destroy, and change them. So the surface on which we live, it's beautiful, it's constantly changing. And the processes that shape this surface are critical for providing us the resources on which we rely. Soils evolve and sustain life. They give us a place to grow food. Slopes give us high ground, expose rocks and minerals at the surface. And streams deliver nutrients from soils to oceans, provide fresh water, and connect cities and towns. These natural systems that bring rewards also represent hazards when we aren't prepared, knowledgeable, or empowered. And sometimes the hazards are just too big for any of those to matter. Typically, though, one issue is that human lives are too short and hands too busy to see most of the change under our feet. Our lives surround these systems, and while even if your heart lies with the ocean, the terrestrial surface, the soils, slopes, and streams are your home. In this series, we'll focus on processes within each of these domains. Short mini lectures will cover the formation, evolution, and sustainability of soils, how soils and sediment move down slopes and erode quickly and slowly, and how rivers transport water and sediments and sometimes overtop their banks. Essentially, we're going to follow the path of a drop of water or a grain of sand as it moves from the top of the soil to the bottom stream. My hope is that through this series you'll gain some new perspective into how the landscape that we often view as unmoving is in fact a bunch of dynamic systems. A little bit about the content provided here. Although there are increasingly a lot of resources for teachers, Earth Sciences has been called the poor cousin of STEM. And this series was developed as a three-part course, or a three-part series of courses designed to increase knowledge and supports surrounding Earth's surface processes for both K-12 teachers and alternative educators. Course 1 is free and open access. That's the series of lectures you've likely already found. These videos are aimed at the non-specialist, and they're available at the Soil, Slopes, and Streams website, which is shown above, www.montana.edu/soils-slopes-streams. Course 2 integrates content with pedagogy through coursework and reflections. And Course 3 is a workshop where participants can earn a digital badge and teacher development and renewal credits. All resources and links for the video series are found in the link shown. Thanks so much, and I hope you enjoy the series.